Hi, this is Dana, and I'm here to talk about trays and U-pins. Things that contain merchandise. This is a tray and it's stackable. This is an insert. You can purchase inserts, and this one I've had specially made for me using shantung silk with a strap. You can have them, and they're not too expensive. They usually come standard in black felt, but I do like this, and you can have them covered with silk or other fabrics and even Velcro material. But here, what I do is I like this because it's stackable and it's easy to transfer from one location to another, or if it's a 3 or 4 day event, it's very easy. And the other thing is, this is a U-pin. You should get to know U-pins because they keep everything in place.